Hey guys, it's Alan from the Diecast Dudes, and I'm here with my first 1x24 unboxing. Now, as you can see by the cover, this is a bit of an older car, as it shows Joe Gibbs Racing, but it only has the 11, the 18, and the 20. And you can see that the 20 is orange, so you may have an idea on what we're going to review. So I flip the box over, you can see it's Joey Logano's 2012 Toyota Camry Home Depot car. It says it here on the side, Joey Logano, number 20, the Home Depot 2012 Camry. It's one of 1,275. And on the back, it just says a build of the car. Okay guys, now let's get into it. Here, we got 2012 race schedule. It's very small, just goes through all the race schedules. Nothing really too important. Congratulations on your purchase. And this is used for cleaning the car, just a little rag. And guys, I'll admit, I did unscrew the screws prior to this. Obviously, nobody wants to watch me unscrew screws for a minute, so we already got that out of here. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at the car. They did a really good job with this. I have always been a fan of the Home Depot orange color. You know, trunk opens and everything, roof flaps too. Honestly, I liked the 2012 Camry. It looks really cool. Here, if I can get the hood open. Here we go. You can take a look into the hood. Nice job as always. In the back, you got the fuel cell in the back. That's really it. Nothing else. Home Depot, Toyota on the back. Obviously 20 on the lights. Joey Logano on the side. Secondary sponsors here. Obviously, this is a primarily Home Depot sponsored car. Dollar General to sponsor the back. So that's pretty cool. Undercarriage. Nothing really special, but you can see the barcode in the back. This is number 1043. So, pretty cool. Yeah, guys, it's been Alan from the Diecast Dudes. Hope you have a great day.